Google hasn't announced the Pixel 11 yet, but a leak just revealed exactly how much more you're about to pay for it. And the number is bigger than anyone expected. For the last 2 years, Google did something almost no other phone maker was doing. It kept prices flat. The Pixel 9. The Pixel 10. Same price, better phone. That streak is about to end. A French leak outlet called Dealabs, the same one that's nailed European Pixel pricing before, just published what it claims are the final Pixel 11 prices. And across almost every model, the number goes up by roughly €100. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't really about the Pixel 11 at all. Right now, every phone maker on Earth is fighting the same invisible enemy: memory chips. AI companies are buying up so much RAM and storage capacity to build data centers that there's barely any left for phones. Engineers are calling it Armageddon. And Google, ironically, is one of the companies helping cause it. So Google made a choice. Instead of just raising the sticker price and hoping nobody notices, they're changing what you get for that price. The 128GB base model, the cheapest Pixel you could buy, is reportedly gone. Every Pixel 11 now starts at 256GB. Sounds generous. It's not free. In France, the Pixel 10 Pro launched at €1109. The leaked Pixel 11 Pro? €1199. That's a €100 jump on a phone that looks almost identical to last year's. The Pro XL and the Pro Fold get hit even harder. A flat €100 increase across every storage tier, no exceptions. In the UK, buyers are looking at roughly £80 more. Google hasn't leaked US pricing yet. But if history is any guide, expect $50 to $100 more on most models. And the flagship Pro Fold could cross $1,900 for the first time ever. But here's the part almost nobody's talking about. Google isn't alone in this. Samsung already raised Galaxy S26 prices this year, and actually gave people a real reason, a genuinely new privacy display feature. Apple's Tim Cook has already called price increases unavoidable for the iPhone 18. So the real question isn't why Google is charging more. It's whether Google has anything to show for it. And that's where things get strange. Buried in the leaks is a feature nobody can explain yet. Something Google is internally calling Pixel Glow. Some leakers think it's a new ambient light strip on the back of the phone that reacts to notifications. Nobody outside Google actually knows what it does yet. If Pixel Glow turns out to be a gimmick, Google just raised prices with nothing but a storage upgrade and a light strip. If it's genuinely useful, it might be the first real reason to upgrade in years. Google will reveal everything at a New York event on August 12th, with phones on shelves 8 days later. Until then, one thing is already certain. The era of Google holding the line on price is over. The only thing left to find out is whether the Pixel 11 is actually worth the difference. If you want the real Pixel 11 prices the moment they're official, subscribe, because this story isn't finished yet.